If you want to add emoji to your videos in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to place an emoji on your timeline, adjust it to fit your video, and control how long it stays on screen. This is a super simple way to make your edits more fun, more engaging, and a little more eye-catching without needing any extra apps or complicated effects. Before we get into it, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this one. That really helps the channel, and it lets me know to keep making helpful editing guides for you. Alright, let's jump into CapCut and let's get started. First, open your project in CapCut PC. Make sure the video you want to edit is already on the timeline, so you can place your emoji in the right spot. Once your project is open, look at the playhead on the timeline and move it to the exact point where you want the emoji to appear. This is important because the playhead tells CapCut where to place new elements in your video. Next, go up to the top panel and click Text. This is where CapCut gives you all the text tools, and it's also where you can add an emoji as text. After clicking Text, choose Add Text. CapCut will create a new text layer on your timeline and open a text box in the preview area. Now click inside the text box and type or paste the emoji you want to use. You can use a single emoji or even combine a few of them depending on the style you want. For example, you could use a smiley face, a fire emoji, a heart, or anything that matches the mood of your video. Once the emoji appears, you can click away and it will stay as a text element on your footage. After that, use the controls in the right panel to adjust the emoji's size, color, and position. If the emoji looks too small, increase the size so it stands out more clearly. If it needs to fit better into your scene, drag it around in the preview window and place it wherever it looks best. You can also change the color if needed, although most emojis already have their own built-in colors, so this step depends on the style you're going for. Take a moment to make sure the emoji sits naturally in the frame. If you're adding it for emphasis, try placing it near a subject or beside a word or object in the video. If you're using it for a fun reaction or a call-out, you might want to keep it closer to the corner or center depending on the layout. Once the emoji is placed where you want it, go down to the timeline and look for the text layer that CapCut created. This layer controls how long the emoji stays visible on screen. To change the duration, drag the edges of the text layer left or right. If you want the emoji to appear for only a short moment, make the layer shorter. If you want it to stay on screen longer, stretch the layer out further along the timeline. This is one of the most important parts because timing makes a big difference in how professional your edit feels. A well-timed emoji can highlight a moment, add personality, or draw attention to something in your video without distracting from the main content. Once you're happy with the placement, size, and duration, preview your video to make sure everything looks smooth. If needed, go back and make small adjustments until it fits perfectly. That's really all there is to it. Now you know how to add emoji to your videos in CapCut PC in just a few easy steps. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe for more CapCut tips, and leave a comment if you want to see more editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.